A project that is intended to protect homes and properties in the Collinsgut area is ahead of schedule. Contractors say they have already completed over 40% of the work required under the Collinsgut Flood Management and Slope Stabilization Project, which is due to end in December. The project is one of the ways in which the OECS is helping to strengthen the island's resilience to climate change and its impact under the OECS Global Climate Change Alliance (GCCA) through its iLAND initiative. Local focal point for the OECS Island Resilience Initiative, Jerome Mead, describes the Collinsgut intervention as timely, adding that without this project, lives could have been lost.
The issues with the embankment and the slopes, as I say, we have falling rocks and debris along the sides of the gut, which are posing problems and challenges for people that are close by. If this continues, as I say, this house would probably be eaten up if the continued erosion takes place. So as a result of that, to reverse some of the negative impacts, this project was targeted to deal with some of the embankments, to stabilize that.
The Collinsgut Flood Management and Slope Stabilization Project will see the construction of a retaining wall, culvert, and drainage works. Engineer Adrian Galloway of the Galloway Construction Group is hopeful that casting of the concrete deck for the culvert will conclude by the end of this week.
Basically, this is a very important project because it provides much needed protection for the properties in this area. As we can see, a retaining wall is actually collapsing in the area. But what is going to be installed now is a new gabion basket retaining wall, which is a more flexible wall, which can accommodate a lot more movement than a rigid wall can accommodate. And that would be placed along the side of this property, and that would provide added protection against the waters, against land slippage, etc. Basically, the stage that we're in, we're making preparation for the casting of the concrete deck for the box culvert. We anticipate that by the end of the week we should be able to cast that culvert. Included in this project would be some river dredging work, which would include placement of riprap, stone and concrete along the base in front of the gabion basket, which would provide additional protection for the baskets as well.
The OECS Island Resilience Initiative is supporting two other ongoing projects on island. They are the Blake Soil Erosion Management Project and the Rainwater Harvesting and the Solar Power Project at the Montserrat National Trust. Tanisha Christopher reporting for the OECS Island Resilience Initiative.